Welcome friends. Today we will discuss cryptograms. Here subdivision cryptograms. You know the kingdom Planty divides into cryptograms and phanerograms. Today we will discuss about the subkingdom cryptograms. Here subkingdom cryptograms. Here first of all you should know that cryptos. Here cryptos means hidden. What is meant by hidden? That is, we cannot able to see, right? Unable to see, you may say. That is a cryptos means hidden. And here gams means reproductive organ. Reproductive organ, as you know, that is male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs also present in plant too. Here cryptograms. Now बच्चों, as you know, आपण कधी कधी नदीच्या जवळ तलावाच्या जवळ जातो, पाहतो तलावाचं पाणी ग्रीनिश झालेलं असतं. Isn't it? That greenish water present in the ponds, lakes or river. आपण कधी विचार करतो why this water become green, right? Here if you collect the some of the green water and just brought in the test tube and just the green fibers taken in a petri dish, right? Wash it thoroughly. Then here that thread like structure you have to taken on the glass slide, right? And just covered with the cover slip. And then what you have to do? आपको बाद में क्या करना है? Just you have to observe under the microscope, isn't it? When you observe under the microscope you find the greenish structure, a greenish thread like structure, that is we called as a spirogyra. Isn't it? It means that spirogyra is a plant. No doubt. Why? It is green in color, and as chloroplast is present, right? Spirogyra is a plant, isn't it? Spirogyra is a plant having the green thread like chloroplast. Here spirogyra. What is spirogyra? Spirogyra is a plant which have green thread like chloroplast. Yes, and as you know, finally cryptograms are a simple word. If someone asks you what is cryptograms, जर तुम्हाला कोणी विचारलं what is cryptograms, sir what is cryptograms, your answer will be non-flowering and seedless plant, isn't it? Here non-flowering means plant which do not bear flower, non-flowering and seedless plant. Isn't it? That is about the cryptograms. As you know, the cryptograms again classified into the three division, that is thallophyta, here bryophyta, and then pteridophyta. Just we write here, that helps to convenient for us, right? A third one here, pteridophyta, isn't it? It means that division thallophyta, division bryophyta and division pteridophyta, isn't it? division Thallophyta. Boys, division Thallophyta. Plants belong to this division, mostly found in the water. Here means जैसे कि अभी एग्जाम्पल अपने दिया, that Spirogyra mostly grow in water, isn't it? It means that here the plants belong to Thallophyta, mostly grow in water, mostly grow in water, isn't it? As you know, here as the plants mostly grow in water, and as they are plants, they contain chlorophyll. They contain chlorophyll, isn't it? And as you know, as they contain chlorophyll, carry out photosynthesis, and as they carry out photosynthesis, they are autotrophic in nature, isn't it? They are autotrophic in nature. They are autotrophic. They are autotrophic. Now, here the example Thallophyta, a best example, that is Spirogyra, isn't it? No root, no stem, no leaves, no flower, isn't it? Means these plants do not have, here do not have what? Roots, stem, leaves and flower, right? Now here basically the algae, actually some of the algae found in the river water and some of the algae found in the marine water, isn't it? Here actually algae shows diversity, isn't it? Some are algae, here just what I am writing here, algae, some are microscopic, some are unicellular and some are multicellular, isn't it? Here some found in fresh water, some found in fresh water, some found in marine water. As you know, just marine water, you may call it as a saline water. Marine water is also called as saline water. कभी कभी आप जब नदी किनारे जाते हो, right, just along the side of river, you may fall down. Why? Because of the Spirogyra, because of the algae. It means that Spirogyra, that is thread-like structure, soft and thread-like structure. You may say what? Soft and thread-like structure. Soft and thread-like structure. Soft and thread-like structure. Here these are included in the Thallophyta, but along with this, some of the exceptions are there which do not contain chlorophyll are included in this group. Just like example are yeast and mold. Here yeast and mold included in this group, though chlorophyll is absent. Chlorophyll is absent, and here examples are Spirogyra, Ulva, Sargassum, isn't it? Boys, this is the completion of our division Thallophyta. Next division Bryophyta will be studied in next class.